Hi everyone, welcome to Inclined Mathematics. You want to know how to find the derivative of this in 5 seconds? Let's get started. The derivative of this question is that's it. You want to know how it is? First of all, you have to remember this form y is equals to f of x to the power f of x to the power f of x and to the power of f of x. If you come across this infinite series, when you have a function f of x raised to another function and it is raised to another function and so on, all you need to do is the formula becomes dy by dx is equals to y square by 1 minus log y into f dash of x by f of x. That is the derivative of the function, given function upon the function as it is. Okay, here given function is sin x, so here the answer becomes the derivative of the function sin x is given cos x and the function itself is sin x, so it becomes cot x, right? Cos x by sin x. The answer for this question is dy by dx is equals to y square by 1 minus log y into cot x. Okay, let's try this for another question. Y is equals to, here we take exponential functions now, e to the power of x, e to the power of x, e to the power of x to the power of e to the power of x and so on. This is a infinite series. Look at this question. Here the function is exponential function. The repeating function is e to the power of x. So clearly we can take f of x as e to the power of x, right? We can directly say the derivative dy by dx is equals to y square by 1 minus log y into derivative of the given function. What is the derivative of the given function? E to the power of x. Derivative is e to the power of x only, and the function given as it is e to the power of x only. It gets cancelled. Dy by dx is equals to y square by 1 minus log y. This is the solution for this question. You can also try solving using the conventional methods and in your board exams. Why not verify using this trick? Okay, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like and share this video with your friends, and if you haven't done yet so far, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.